make or break us. Today we're going head to head with 3 Halloween themed baking challenges. And I'm a bit worried because I know how competitive Kai can be with things. And I should obviously be winning this. But we need your guys' help in deciding one of the winners. So let's get started. Our first challenge is going to be making cookies. But obviously there has to be a Halloween twist to it. So we have to pick 2 mystery ingredients out of this bag and add them into our cookies. I'm a bit nervous because there is one ingredient that I really don't want to get, and that's hot sauce. Is there any ingredients from the pile over there that you don't want to be in your cookie?
Ketchup.
Ketchup, right, okay. Let's pick out our mystery ingredients. I really don't want to get hot sauce, and I bet I will as well. I got ketchup.
Biscoff.
Yeah, she got Biscoff, that's a joke. Right, okay.
That's the hot sauce one.
No, that's a joke. Oh my god. I just got hot sauce. That is actually not even funny, that's the one thing that I didn't want.
So I can't lose, basically.
Well, you can lose.
What do you mean?
You've still got coffee or crisp that you could get.
Really? Oh, I've got a good one already. Crisps.
Crisp. Right, okay, so I'm adding into mine ketchup and hot sauce.
So I've got some lightly salted crisps. Biscoff.
Let's get started making these cookies. I'm not excited for this now. Okay, so we've got all of the ingredients in front of us for our cookies. And then we've got our mystery ingredients by the side. So we are going to start by making the normal cookie recipe.
I thought you was going to do it for me.
Nope. Another twist that we're adding with these cookies is that Kai's going to have to add in my mystery ingredients, so I really hope he doesn't put too much of it in. And I have to add in his. That's probably going to make things a little bit more difficult. How do you reckon your cookie will turn out with the Biscoff and the crisp in it?
Biscoff's going to be nice. It's a pretty average cookie. Yeah, I'm not too sure about the crisps actually.
I'm really worried about mine, to be honest. And I'm worried about how much you're going to put in. Mine is done and ready before we need to add in the mystery ingredients. I'm worried because it's already quite stickier than usual as well because I added a bit of a bigger egg. So the extra liquid probably isn't going to help anything. Right, okay, let's switch bowls and ingredients for now.
We're doing both at the same time?
Well, no, you don't do it at the same time.
No, I mean like they're both going in here.
Yeah. Don't put loads in, please.
What is it going to?
Stop looking. Yours is going to be so salty. Are you done yet?
No.
You've got to be done soon. You can't be adding that much. Please don't add too much. This is what Kai's looks like. I don't even want to know what mine looks like. Oh my god. That's not going to turn into a cookie.
Actually, ice cream.
It's inflated as well. I'm going to have to add some extra flour. And I'm taking this with me because you're going to add more. It's literally all bubbling up. Look at that. Right, let's add the chocolate. This reminds me of a pumpkin, the colours of a pumpkin.
Halloween themed. You're welcome.
Yours doesn't even look bad.
It does, it looks awful.
It does not.
I would not want to have any of that.
We're ready to weigh out these cookies. I actually don't even think I can weigh mine or even handle it. Right, I'm literally going to have to plop this on. There's nothing else that I can do. No, you can actually do yours into balls. I can't. This is probably going to be the worst cookies I've ever made. This is what mine looks like with the addition of ketchup and hot sauce, thanks to Kai. I think it's just going to go flat, to be honest. Let's put these into the oven, see what happens. We will see you in 12 minutes. Time to get the cookies out. They're grim. This is so bad. Look. Even the chocolate looks bad and the smell. That is actually, honestly, I actually really don't want to eat that. Nothing about that. Looks good, look at that.
Looks like raisins.
Can you see the crisps?
Yeah.
Guys, if you hated spicy foods, would you actually try this? Because I genuinely don't think that I can right now. Like, it's actually really bad. And if I do try this, make sure you subscribe to my channel because this is next level for me. This is something that I wouldn't ever do. Oh my god.
Is it nice?
No. The spice is coming. And it's spicy. That is actually grim.
So it's like your average cookie that you do.
Shut up. You need to do yours now.
The crisps are like bits of cardboard.
I did put a lot in as well. That's pretty much all crisp there. You have to try it. No, you have to try it. I'm going to try yours. You have to try it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I can't even swallow it.
You can't spit it out. You can't spit it out. You have to swallow it. How bad is that?
Oh, that is grim.
It's so bad.
I need some of this. I'm not going to be able to find that. It's awful.
I know. Guys, we're generally not even making this up for the camera or anything. It's actually vile. Guys, we're going to get Mum to go and try it.
How much that?
Straight in. Oh my goodness me, that is quick.
I've taken up a bit.
You didn't eat both of them.
That's disgusting. Oh, that is vile.
For our next challenge, we have 45 seconds to decorate as many cupcakes as we can. We have 6 cupcakes, so we can only do up to 6, but I don't suppose you're going to be getting past like 3 cupcakes, so I think we'll be okay with that one. Kai's already told me that 30 seconds is too short, so I've had to push it to 45. We have some extra decorations, some edible blood, some sprinkles, black icing, and then I've made some purple and orange buttercream. It has to be related to Halloween, the stuff you're doing. You can't just do like a little circle.
Scary stuff.
Yeah.
So I can do a portrait of you.
That's not funny. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Was I doing that one?
Have you got a little plan?
Yeah. I do have a plan and I think it's working. My black's not coming out. I'm using your one.
2,
I can't get it out.
1.
Oh, we've not done all
You
of
do
them.
not win.
How? They're all pumpkins.
You've done all of them, but they're not pumpkins.
They're pumpkins.
It's
Big
the
cards.
only pumpkin that's been done.
Right, what's yours then?
Witch's hat, guys. I've got 2 fully done witch's
I've got
hats.
6.
You've got
pumpkins.
1.
I've got 6 pumpkins.
You've got
right there.
1 pumpkin. Comment down below who you think has won this round because I think I have. We're going to move on to the last challenge.
Cheap.
For our last challenge of the day, we have to recreate these brownies up here. But the twist is, we are going to be blindfolded.
I'll wear glasses anyway, so it'll be like the same.
I think it's going to be very different. I can't see anything. You have to make sure your eyes are closed as well when we're doing this. We have 4 brownies each. We have everything that we need here. 1 milk chocolate and 1 white chocolate. Our sprinkles here, Oreos, toothpicks, eyes, no time limit.
Yeah.
High 5. Let's go. This is my first one done, guys. They're gone.
It's not coming out.
Where's my brownies gone? You've taken my brownies.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
You've got to find them. Like, they're mine. They're mine.
Oh, I've just put my hand in the one I've done already. Right, you've given me one. I've done 2.
It's my spider web.
Pardon?
Sprinkled one.
Okay, my mummy is done.
This is my mummy.
Okay, that's my one done. You done?
No.
Come on.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Do you know what? I've actually done alright. Oi, what's going on with your bat?
My 4 brownies here. Not a lot of mess either, not too much.
Would you like to run me through them? So this is my normal with sprinkles. This is my mummy. This is spiderweb, and this is the bat.
Oh my goodness. I have cleared up everywhere's looking a bit nicer now, and I've presented the brownies a bit nicer. So here is what they're looking like. We need you for this round to comment down below who is the winner. The top row is mine, the bottom row is Kai's.
Top row is mine.
And we can't decide because obviously I'm going to say me and obviously Kai's going to say Kai. So we need you guys to help us and comment down below who has won this round. So we have all 3 of our final bakes from our challenges. We have the Kai's crisp and biscoff cookies and my ketchup and hot sauce cookies. Cupcakes, which we had to decorate in 45 seconds. You've got my cupcakes on this side, the witches' hats and the pumpkins, and Kai's pumpkins. Finally, we have our blindfolded brownies that we decorated. This is my side, this is Kai's side. So we need you guys to comment down below who has won the challenge overall and who has won these 2 challenges. This one, I think we know who's won. This has been such a fun video to make, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've actually really enjoyed it. What is your favourite challenge that we did today?
I'll take blindfolded one.
Right, okay, I actually agree as well. I think the blindfolded one was probably my favourite. Let me know if this is a challenge that you guys would try at home. So that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!